coming into Home Goods because I'm looking for the lanterns to go with my desk, which y'all will see a little bit later on in the video. But for the most part, I got the husband with me today, Rev, aka the husband, and we'll see if they have what I'm looking for. You know, this is going to be a quick video because I have him with me today and he is not into any of this stuff. Wow, you're lucky we don't have the house yet. I would have got that. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at my ice bucket. No, I got it from the other store, not from here. But this goes with it. How cool is that? Oh, this way I got your syrups. So if you want the rest of them, you can definitely pick it up. This is so cool. That's so cool. Let's see. Let's go for what we came for. That will be down here. I think it's still here, dolls. I think it's still here. Is it still? Yes! It's here. Oh, I don't see it, but I do see something else, so. We're gonna go with this one. Because it's black and white and gold. So, if I do this, now I just need something silver. Something with a little bit of silver. Let's see. I'm thinking. So here's what I ended up with. We have this and that. I think you can get the vibe. It's a vibe. So I think that's going to be it. I'm just now needing a silver piece. And I think that's about it.
Cashier number 2, please.
Cashier number 2. Oh, we right by the exit. Right by the exit. When you go shopping, do not bring your spouse with you. I saw so many nice things. Okay. Good morning. Hello. Okay, so this vlog is just pretty much getting all over the place. I tell you, dolls, when it rains, it can really, really pour. Anyhow, last week, Thursday, and I came to visit my uncle. You know, the one who I'm the guardian for, caregiver for, and he's in a nursing facility. And he had fell, so they sent him here to the hospital just for precautionary, you know, make sure that he don't have any head injury. But this is some of the things that I talk about when I say if you know someone who's caring for a loved one, just be mindful, okay, of what they could be possibly going through, because it's not easy, okay? Offer your help whenever you can, and let them know that they're not alone in caring for the person that they're caring for. When you're a caregiver, it can take a toll on you. but you got to maintain your resilience, maintain your self-care, okay? Maintain your self-care. And, well, the nurse, she's in here talking to another patient, so I don't want to pick up any of that audio, so I'm going to come back to y'all when she's done helping the other patient. Okay, Glam Dolls, I was editing the previous clips that you just watched, and when I got up into the point of having to go to the hospital for my aunt husband, everything then spiraled. Everything then since then spiraled, and I said to myself, let me just end this vlog, gather myself, and get on to the next. So I want to close this vlog off by saying this. By the way, Uncle, he's okay. The nursing home sent him to the hospital for precautionary reasons to make sure that he's okay, you know, and there's nothing else going on, because he did fall and he did bruise his right hip and has some swelling over there. So they just, you know, want to make sure that he's good and he's okay. And by the time I'm doing this in my now self, Uncle's okay. But truth be told, I'm not okay. And I'll be very transparent with you all. I'm not okay during these times, the holidays, and largely due to the fact of losing my aunt, who was the last matriarch of this family, who was also the one that raised me. It's not easy being a caregiver for an elderly person, even though that person is, in my case, is in a nursing home. You have to be a very strong advocate. You have to be just as much involved with the nursing home as if you had them at home with you, because the moment you're not an advocate, the moment you're not involved with some of these nursing homes, I'm not going to say all of them is bad, they can get left behind, and people can get mistreated in nursing homes, especially if they see the family ain't coming around, ain't checking on them, whatever. Yeah, they can get mistreated. But I just want to fast track this a little bit. I don't want to sound like I'm ranting. Point is, I'm ending this vlog to say this. Self-care is so important. So important. And I'm reaching out in this video to say, if you know someone who is a caregiver of an elderly or a special needs type person, check in on them, okay? Check in on them. Offer your help. And if you're going to offer your help in a way that let them tell you what help is needed that can be offered to really help them. You get what I'm saying? Don't just come around going, oh, all you gotta do, that's not being helpful. It takes, and I'm just gonna speak for myself, a tremendous amount of strength and courage and resilience during this times of year. The holidays are really, really bad for me since I've lost my aunt. And she was the last matriarch of the family, and it's Thanksgiving week that's here. By now, I would have spoken with her, of course, and I would have been like, oh, I want 5 pies. You gonna make me 5 pies? And she would have laughed and joked around, like, I'm only gonna make you 1 pie, but she would have made me 3 pies. That's a fact. She would have made me 3 pies. Yeah. She would have made me 3 pies. You know what? Just check in on the people who are caregivers. And if you yourself is a caregiver, you're not by yourself. You're not by yourself. You're not by yourself by a long shot, a long way. Don't feel that you're alone. And if you feel you have no one that you can talk to, that you're comfortable with talking to, or you just feel like you're by yourself and you don't know where else to turn, you call this number right here. You call this number right here, because guess what? There will be someone on the other end of that line that's willing, able, and ready to talk to you about whatever it is you're going through, whatever help you may need of resources that can be available to help you, someone on the other end of this line will be there to take your call and help you. Okay? Do not go through this by yourself. There's no need to. There's no need to. And self-care is so important. And even if you're not a caregiver to someone, even if you're just someone who goes through depressing times and it's the holidays, you're still not by yourself. That same number right here. That same number right here. And self-care is so important. Learn to check in on yourself. Learn to check in on what your triggers are so you can know how to come back against it, because it's not easy. It's not even for someone like myself. So I'm just going to end this vlog. I do have some videos coming up for you all. I got a ASOS order in. Right now I'm in my home office. Oh my gosh, the things that you just saw I brought, I have put them right here. Look at that. I have put them right here, and I'll do a tour thingy on the office. I do have some other videos coming up. I'm working on some new content that's coming your way, but I wanted to end this vlog and end it off with that message, and still wish you all a very happy holidays. Okay, happy holidays to you and your family and your loved ones. And I want to thank you all for your kindness. Thank you all for your patience. More importantly, thank you for your support, and thank you for those who have even inboxed just to check on me, especially my official glam dolls who've been with me on this channel for as long as you've been. You know, this times of year is really, really bad for me, and I had got a few early just holiday messages or whatever, say, hey Glam, I'm checking. None of you said it was okay to say your name, but one of you in particular, girl, thank you. Thank you. It was needed. It was needed when you said what you said about the holidays, and like I just said about the pies, and you remembered, and you sent me a sweet potato pie recipe. Now granted, I know it's not my aunt recipe, but it's kindness like that goes so deep in thankfulness. Thank you. Glam dolls, I'm okay. I'm gonna be okay. I want you all to be okay. Never feel that you're alone. You call that number right there if you are a person who feels you have no one to talk to. I'm gonna go ahead and add this clip that you're seeing right here into the video, close this video out, and I will see you all in another video that's coming up after Thanksgiving shortly, okay? Thank you. Seriously, thank you.